So magandang araw kabola sa video na ito. Marami po tayong iba't iba na pag-uusapan kabola. Pero mag-focus tayo sa isa na naman po interesting na rumor na of course po binigay sa atin na number 1, ang hari. Ang number 1 source kabola ng mga rumor sa PBA is no bad. So hindi pa nakasubscribe, pakipindot naman po yung subscription button. Ito nga pong si Chris Ross. Sinabi niya ano talaga ang sikreto ng Ginebra. Sabi niya, Ginebra has 5 Division 1 players in the court. TB, their import isn't one of them. Division 1 actually pinapoint out niya po is yung Division 1 NCAA po kabola sa United States kabola, at nakakabuild nga na ang Ginebra currently ay meron pong 5 kabola. That's Ahan Misi, Pringle, Alonzo, Aguilar, at of course Stan Heidinger. And it speaks about the level kabola din ng PBA, diba? So isang team nakabuo ng mga players or ng isang good 5 kabola out of Division 1 players. And again, that is the top division kabola sa US College Basketball kabola. Now, Calvin of tayo na, yan, pinag-aasar, ng mga taga-UP. Congratulations po sa mga fans po ng Lazal kabola. It was a beautiful season for them. They really deserve it. Coach Topics Robinson, ang dating coach po ng Phoenix, did a fine job. And of course, Kevin Kembao is really an MVP caliber player. Pero kita nyo dito, diba? Okay na okay din ang chemistry talaga ng TNT. Nag-aasaran pa. Now, one guy, one legend of the PBA, one of the most controversial, diba? Alam naman na natin kung bakit controversial si Asi Taulava, will now hang his jersey kabola. And it seems like they will give him jersey retirement kabola. I'm not just sure daw kung i-retire din nila yung number niya, pero magkakaroon siya ng jersey retirement dun nga po sa game ng TNT at saka na ng NLEX Road Warriors. Of course, sa TNT talaga naging legend itong si Asi Taulava. Alam na natin yan kabola. The two of them with Jimmy Alapag, although isa lang actually ang nakaya ng kunin na MVP ni Asi, ano? Kumbaga, pwede mo kasing sabihin na si Pajardo is the real or the good version of Asi Taulava, but still Asi was a legend. He did very well. He has the most number of all-star appearance sa liga. Pero pinakapag-usapan talaga natin, binabalik-balikan pa rin natin kasi hindi pa rin tapos. Prodigal son wants to return to team after a trip to the moon. Inamuka, titigas-tigasan ka pa nung naramdaman mo walang sweldo. Malambot ka pa pala sa mamon. You just lost bad. Now that's my business, ang sabi ni Snow. And of course, this is clearly about Mikey Williams. Diba kabola? Kahit di pa naman yung sinabi. Yun palang reality na medyo galit talaga si dito si Snow. Alam na natin na si Mikey yan. Kasi nga po, if you remember, si Mikey po, kinall out niya si Snow kabola. O sinagot niya si Snow sa social media kabola. And it seems like, kung totoo ito, mukhang kakainin nitong si Mikey Williams sa kanya pong mga salita. And of course, the use of prodigal son, diba? All of those are pointing to Mikey Williams. Now, if he wants to return na, medyo may dilemma ang TNT. Kung ikaw po yung TNT management, ano ang gagawin mo kay Mikey Williams? Kasi you have 3 options. First one is of course, embrace the return, diba? Second one is, wag mong pansinin or continue the ban, kabola. And the third one is you trade him. Those are the 3 options currently of TNT. And what is the best for them? Embracing him will give TNT their main guy back, kabola. Pero, gusto ba talaga ng TNT ulit na mapunta ulit dito after a year, di ba? Kahit pa manalo sila ng kampyonato. Kung ako sa kanila, hindi na, di ba? Nakakasawa din. How about continue the ban? I don't think may makukuha talagang TNT dito Kasi if they continue to be very, very hard with Mikey Williams and just ban him kabola, I think it will have a negative impact din sa mga susunod pa po nila magiging superstar na mapupunta sa kanila. So for me, the best will be to trade him. Trade him to the team that can actually handle him. Trade him to the team that can pay him and get something in returns. A fair return kabola. So of course, I'm talking about Ginebra or San Miguel kabola. Kabola, anong gagawin mo pag ikaw po ang management ng TNT? Comment lang po sa baba.